How to optimize your YouTube video titles and tags. Optimizing your YouTube video titles and tags can help improve the visibility and discoverability of your videos on YouTube and in search results. Here are some tips for optimizing your video titles and tags. Use keywords in your titles and tags. Choose titles and tags that include relevant keywords for your video. This will make it easier for people to find your video when searching for those keywords. Keep your titles and tags concise. Titles and tags should be brief and to the point. Avoid using long or complex phrases, as they may be truncated in search results. Use variations of your keywords. In addition to using your main keywords, consider including variations or synonyms to reach a wider audience. Use relevant and specific tags. Choose tags that are relevant to your video and specific to the content. Avoid using generic or vague tags. Use all available characters. Make sure to use all the characters available for your titles and tags. This will give you more space to include important keywords and information. Include your brand name. If you have a well-known brand, consider including it in your titles and tags to help increase the visibility and credibility of your videos. Use capitalization effectively. Capitalizing the first letter of each word in your titles and tags can make them more visible and easier to read. By following these tips, you can help improve the visibility and discoverability of your videos on YouTube and in search results.